Welcome to our channel. Today our focus revolves around the fascinating world of stock images, those captivating visuals that can elevate any project without the worry of copyright issues. Microsoft has streamlined the process of incorporating these images seamlessly into its suite of products. Today we are speaking about Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Without a doubt, images stand as the cornerstone of effective communication, whether it's crafting powerful presentations, dynamic dashboards, or engaging newsletters and business documents. In this video, we are diving in how effortlessly you can integrate these images into Microsoft's suite of products. Let's dive right in. Imagine you are working on a dashboard to track activity, speed. Adding relevant images can truly enhance its impact. Let's explore how this feature works in Excel. And for this video, I have added a few images here that you can see on your screen. However, let's get started with a new worksheet. All right, we are here in a new worksheet. How do you insert stock images in a worksheet in Excel? You simply need to head to the Insert on top menu. And from here, it's a little bit challenging here. It's not right away visible on Insert menu. You need to go to Illustrations. So you click on Illustrations, and then within Illustrations, you see Pictures. You click on Pictures, and now there are two options in Excel. One is Place in Cell, and the other one is Place over cells. Place in cell inserts in a particular cell, and place over cell is a image on top of multiple cells. So for the moment, we will look at place over cell, and then you head to stock images. So it's that simple. And here we are. We have loads of stock images. They are categorized with different categories that you can look for. It's up to you what you are looking at. As I said in my intro, that if you are creating a dashboard that speaks about speed in Excel, then you can, for example, look for motion, any images related to motion. These might be the ones that support your storyline that you're creating in your dashboard. Simply need to click on these images and they will get inserted into your Excel sheet right away. Let's choose one more, any. And here we are. 3 images got downloaded from stock library and they are attached to your Excel sheet. Now you can spread them, you can make them of different size as you want, and you are free to use them without any concerns of copyright, whether it's a professional presentation. You don't have issues of copyright in these images. So before, you used to Google them and then copy paste in your documents. However, it was always challenging with regards to copyrights. That issue is completely solved now with stock images within Microsoft products. This was in Excel. It's pretty much similar for all products, but let's look at Word. So if you are in a Word file, you go to Insert. Again, here you have Pictures right away, and then you click on Stock Images. It's literally the same product. It's literally same user interface, literally simple, same experience that you get in all of the Microsoft products when you're inserting images. So here, let's say we insert these 2 images, and they are right away in your, if you're creating a newsletter or any other professional document where you need images, you can simply insert those high quality images. As you can see on your screen, they are very good detailed images. All right, with that, let's head to the last one that we wanted to demonstrate today. That is Microsoft PowerPoint. So in Microsoft PowerPoint, you again had to insert and then pictures and then stock images. Again, same user interface, same experience. You simply have to search and choose your images that you are looking for. Click on them and have them added on your PowerPoint presentations. Right away, images get downloaded and get added to your PowerPoint. And then all you need to do is resize them and move them around on your presentation as you wish to have them used. It's as simple as it is. So I hope you liked this content. If you did, please like and subscribe our channel. We continue to create videos that are relevant for professionals. We're looking for productivity in their work or people interested in tech in general. So like, subscribe our channel, and we look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.